gold crown for capturing endemic life in master rank. So I just got that. And the helpful hunter is quite hard. So if you guys are wondering why is it hard, you just say 8 a low rank or high rank hunter on 10 quests. As a master rank hunter, maybe you guys think, oh, the gear of you gonna be good enough for low rank and high rank. Why is it hard? Just 10 quests. Because if they have a character in another save that already master rank, it's not gonna count. You need to be helping someone that actually starting playing Monster Hunter. As you guys can see, the date for today is June 27, 2024. I mean, it's actually hard to find an actual new player that started play a Monster Hunter World, because normally you're gonna find someone that already finished the master rank and play just a new save just to feel fresh again or something like that. I'm already 72% to maxing out everything, but another thing is quite hard. As you guys can see, my new set is a great sword. I just finished grinding for all the stuff, missing these 2 gems, and I have been grinding for it quite a long time. But in today I just want to practice using a great sword. It's quite bad actually, because I just start practicing using it. I'm not actually think that I can solo hunt with a great sword yet, so I just gonna help another newcomer. Oh, I missed. What the hell? Oh, I missed again. When you hit with a great sword and you see a big number, it really satisfies, but it's quite hard for me. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, Bamboro, why? Go away, no one wants you here. And you made the game look bad. Ice monster that live in volcanic region, man. What the hell, man? Doesn't make sense. You're gonna get on fire, man. Oh. Oh my god. Go away, man. I missed the game. Nice. At least I hit. I have this layer armor for quite a while, but I didn't use it. The buff body. It's quite I don't know what to say about it, but it's funny. Let me change that. And the pendant gonna be all over the place with this scarf, so let me change that. Oh, this is unlocked because of I heard that I get that achievement, so let me just put it here. Just to flex. Oh. This is a peak great sword gameplay, right? Hit and run. See the opening chart for the strongest one. Oh, opening. Oh my god. Why I didn't get the 2-shot slash? Hey, I think my input is correct. Oh my god! I missed it again. Nice. Oh, at least it connect. Oh, nice one. Let's try with the Lunar Gigante. Oh, I miss. Cut this tail off. Oh. Let me try solo the Theostra. I'm not sure if I can, but let me try, right? Oh my god. Oh my god.